Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? I am your mathematics teacher from Dar-e-Arqam school, Untitled Chapter campus. Today we are going to start our next lecture. Today we will do the explanation of page number 10 and 11. In page number 10 we have the definition of subset. What is the subset? Students, open your countdown, page number 10. The definition of subset. If each element of a set A is also an element of another set B, then set A is called the subset of the set B. For example, you have the set A. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see that we have the one number in set A and 1 is also the element of set B. So, number 2 is the element of set A, the number 2 is the element of set B. The 3 is the element of set A, the 3 is the element of set B. And 4 is the element of set A and the 4 is the element of set B. Means all the elements of set A is present in the set B. So A is the subset of B. We write it in symbolical form. A is the subset of B. Okay, now we move on the next definition, that is proper subset. What is the proper subset? If every element of A is also an element of B and at least one element of B is not an element of A, then A is a proper subset of B. Suppose you have the set A is equal to 2, 4, 6 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see that 2, 4, 6 present in set B, 2, 4, 6 and 1, 3 and 5. These are the extra elements than set A. So set A is the proper subset of B. We write it in symbolical form, A subset of B. Okay class, the next definition is improper subset. What is improper subset? A subset that contains every element of the set A is called the improper subset of A. The improper subset and original set are equal as they contain the same element. Suppose you have the set A. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. All the elements are present in set B also, and set A is also present the same element. So this is the improper subset in which both sets having the same elements. Okay, now we move on the superset. A superset is a set that contains all the elements of a smaller set, in which all the elements that have in the smaller set. Suppose you have the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see that all the elements of set A are present in the set B. So set B is the superset of A. Set A is the superset and set B is the subset. That is subset and B is a superset. The next is cardinality of a set. Cardinality of a set means the number of elements, the numbers of elements of set. Suppose you have the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we count the number 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 elements of the set. So cardinality of A is equal to 4. Okay, student, now write down your diary. Learn the definition. From page number 10 and 11. Okay class, thank you. Allah Hafiz.